How to delete your Facebook account permanently on Android. Hi there, today we'll teach you how to permanently delete your Facebook account. First, open your Facebook account and log in. And on the three bars menu, click on it and go to Settings and Privacy. When you click on Settings and Privacy, you need to click on Settings, and then it will route you to a page where it shows you more information about the settings of your account, and we need you to click on the Account Center, and then from there you need to click on Personal Details. That's where you can see the option where you'll be deleting the account. So from here you just need to click on Account Ownership and Control, and then click on Deactivation or Deletion. After clicking on it, you just need to tap on your profile and then choose the second option for us to delete your account permanently. And then click on Continue. And then from here, they will ask you the reason why you wish to delete your account. Okay, when you have your reason, you just need to click on Continue. Okay, you just need to click on Continue from here. Then after that, before you permanently delete the account, it asks you if you want to keep your Messenger account instead, or if you want to save the posts that you have on the account, or download your Facebook information, or even transfer a copy of your information. But if you don't want any, you can just go ahead and click on Continue, and you'll need to re-enter your password. Once you have re-entered your password, when you click on Continue, you will need to confirm the deletion of the account. Once you click on Delete Account, this will permanently delete the Facebook account already. Okay, and just to inform you, the deletion will be effective 30 days after you have processed this deletion request. And within those 30 days, you still have an option to activate your Facebook account if in case you change your mind. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!